Morning guys, here at the pump. It's a beautiful morning today. I'm in the Walmart gas station. So this morning, started out late this morning. It's already 8:30. I'm heading over to the salon to get it clean, or I stop for some gas. Gas is expensive, guys. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna head over to the salon, start working on that room, get it clean and ready to go. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so let me set you up right here. The paint, it's not much. I'm just touching up the areas where I patched. So guys, this is the wash bowl I was telling you about. This is the bottom part of it. So see, I put 2 pieces of wood on there just to make it higher. See what I'm talking about? Like I just added wood to make it, put legs on it pretty much. So I'm gonna take the original legs off. These are the original legs right here. It's just some little rubber legs you screw in, see, like that. So we're gonna take those off, and then we're gonna add these wood blocks to raise the whole thing off the ground. We need at least 3 inches. So from here to here is 3 inches thick. That's how high I have to raise it in order for it to drain properly. So let me get these on here. It's gonna be about right here. Yes, I'm just using some 2-inch screws. These 2-inch screws go straight into the bottom of it, and then Here, and then one at the bottom. Alright. So let's flip it over now and then we'll see how high did it get. So it's a little bit higher. We're gonna mount it. Let me put you up here. So we're gonna mount it like that. So we're gonna bolt it to the floor now, and then that should be good to go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna bore this one and then get back to you. I'm not gonna bore it today, I'm gonna drill it tonight. The drill makes a lot of noise, so I ain't gonna mess with it tonight. So give me a few, I'll get back to it later on tonight. I'll continue filming this, but this is what it's gonna look like. See, I added the wood on the bottom to raise it up a little bit. This sink is just too low. It has to be raised. Let me show you. So if you look at the drainage right there, drainage is right there, but then the sink itself, if you notice, you can't make that drainage higher than the sink. The sink has to be higher, that way it flows down into that drain. In this room, that drain is actually sitting a little bit high, you know what I'm saying? So it's just the laws of gravity. Water flows down, so you have to make this sink higher. The way it was sitting, it was almost level with that, so it won't drain, you know what I'm saying? So that's the whole reason for we're having raising that up. So now all I'm gonna do is just bolt it to the ground now, and then we should be good to go. So I'll do that later on tonight. I have all the hoses right here, all the drain fittings and everything that needs to be connected. So I'm gonna get that done later on tonight. So stay tuned guys, I'm gonna get that done and then I'll get that done guys. I said that like 5 times. Bear with me, this is live.